Another beautiful day on the farm. Nothing quite like the morning sun.
Woof, woof. Such a perfectly ordinary farm. Time for a little musical remix, wouldn't you say?
Let's see if they appreciate a change of tune. A little chaos never hurt anyone. Much. Abracadabra, sound-swapping spell. Let the great animal symphony begin.
A strange magic filled the air. Unbeknownst to Farmer John.
Fresh hay!
Spell complete. The fun is about to begin. Let's see how Farmer John handles this symphony.
The magic settled, waiting for morning. A quiet farm for now.
A good night's sleep. Time to start the day and check on my animals. Good morning, Barnaby. What a good boy. Meow. Barnaby, did you just meow?
Whiskers, my little hunter, time for breakfast! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Great heavens! My cat crows. Daisy, you're usually so melodious. A barking cow? This can't be real. Oinkers, are you feeling all right, little fellow? Ba-ba! Now my pig thinks it's a sheep? What in the world? Clucky, are you laying eggs or joining the pond? Quack, quack! Oh, this is getting ridiculous. My ducks are pigs now? Oink, oink. I must be dreaming. This can't be real life. Even woolly? This is impossible. Moo. My sheep are cows. My head is spinning. This is a nightmare. A terrible, noisy nightmare. How can I run a farm like this?
Meow?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Woof, woof.
No, Barnaby, you say woof. Woof, woof. Meow. Oh, this is hopeless. Whiskers, sweetie, you say meow. Like this, meow. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Unbelievable. He thinks he's a rooster. My ears. My poor, poor ears. I can't take this much longer.
Oh, the sweet music of confusion. Farmer John looks delightfully perplexed.
Woof, woof, meow. Quack. How am I ever going to get some rest? This constant meow barking is driving me mad. Ugh, if only they'd just be quiet. Or make the right noises, at least. This can't go on. I have to do something. But what? How do I fix this? They're as confused as I are. They need help, not just scolding. That's it! If they can't remember, I'll teach them. A music class, a sound class for all my animals.
All right, first, the dog. Woof, woof. Then the cat. Meow. This needs structure.
Every good music class needs instruments. A whistle for high notes, a drum for rhythm.
A proper learning environment is key. Class is in session, bright and early.
Meow. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sound Class. Today, we're going to learn our proper voices. All right, Barnaby, this is a dog. What sound does a dog make? Meow. No, Barnaby, woof, woof.
We have some work to do, don't we? It's harder than it looks. Listen closely, everyone. It's woof, woof. Can you try that, Barnaby?
Now, Whiskers, a meow. Soft and gentle.
Kick-cock-a-doodle-doo.
Almost, Whiskers. Almost.
Come on, Daisy, a big moo. Woof, woof. It's okay, we'll get there. Think oink, oinkers. A happy, muddy oink. Ba-ba. Almost, almost. Clucky, my dear, you're a chicken, not a duck. This is going to be a long day. Quackers, remember, quack. Oink.
Oink, oink.
You're trying your best, little one. Ba, woolly, ba. You can do it. Keep trying, my fluffy friend. Dog, woof. Cat, meow. Cow, moo.
We'll keep practicing until you all remember.
Woof. Barnaby, you did it. A real woof. Excellent work, my boy.
Wonderful, Whiskers. A perfect meow. You're learning so fast.
That's my girl, Daisy. A beautiful moo. The farm is coming back. Oink, oink. Perfect, oinkers. You've got your oink back. What a smart little pig. Cluck, cluck. That's my clucky. Welcome back, little hen. Soon, everyone will be themselves again.
Quack, quack.
Excellent, quackers. A perfect quack. You've all worked so hard. Ba-ba! Woolly! My dear Woolly, you did it! Oh, I'm so proud of all of you. Woof!
Meow.
Listen, the farm is singing its true song again.
Well, Albie, he actually did it. That Farmer John is quite the maestro.
Bravo, my wonderful students! Bravo! You are all superstars! The sweet sound of a normal farm. The best music in the world.
Oink, oink. Quack, quack.
You're a good boy, Barnaby. A very good boy. Never thought I'd be so happy to hear a dog bark.
And so, Farmer John's farm found its harmony once more. A little magic, a lot of